Fix, Battlefield 6 multiplayer not installed step by step. Quick checks, do these first. 1. Restart your PC and router. 2. Turn off VPN proxy, if any, and disable download accelerators. 3. Make sure you're signed into the correct EA account that owns Battlefield 6. EA.com, account, email shown. 1. Platform, repair, verify game files, EA app, close EA app. Open it, My Collection, Library, Battlefield 6, Settings, Repair or Manage Repair. Steam, Library, right-click Battlefield 6, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Epic Games Launcher, Library, click the 3 dots on BF6, Manage, Verify. Open quote, wait until the platform finishes, it will re-download missing files, multiplayer pack included. Close quote. 2. Confirm multiplayer pack is actually installed. Open the game's install folder, example locations. EA app, C, program files, electronic arts, Battlefield 6, or your custom path. Steam, like program files x86/Steam, Steam apps, common, Battlefield 6. Look for folders/files named like multiplayer, MP chunks, core data, or similarly sized .plash chunk files. If these folders files are missing or very small, the multiplayer data is not present. Go to step 6, force reinstall. Measure 3, free up space and check drive health. Ensure the install drive has 80 gigabytes free. Make sure the drive is NTFS, not exFAT, and not write protected. Optional quick check, open an admin command prompt and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Replace C if your game is on another drive. Reboot if Cheikadieski requests it. 4. Clear platform caches. Safe way, rename folders so you can restore. EA app cache 1. Close EA app and check Task Manager, kill EA desktop, EA app processes. 2. Press Win-R, sent program data sent, find EA desktop or electronic arts, rename to EA desktop.old. 3. Press Win-R, local app data sent, find electronic arts or EA desktop, rename to EA desktop local.old. 4. Restart PC, open EA app and sign in. Let it rebuild cache. Steam cache, Steam settings, clear download cache, sign back in. Epic cache, Epic settings, scroll to bottom, clear cache, or uninstall and reinstall Epic if needed. Open quote, after rebuilding, run repair, verify again. Close quote. Clear 5, fix permissions and antivirus interference. 1. Run EA app, Steam, Epic as administrator. Right-click, run as administrator. 2. Add exclusions in Windows Defender third-party AV for EA app executable, Steam, Epic executables, Battlefield 6 install folder. 3. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall, then try the Repairify and launching installer again. If it works, re-enable AV and add exclusions. Number 6, force a full multiplayer download, clean reinstall of data only. If verifying didn't fetch multiplayer, force a reinstall of the game data. Option A, reinstall but keep settings. 1. In EA app, Steam, Epic, uninstall Battlefield 6, choose to keep save files if asked. 2. Reinstall, when installer shows options, choose custom advanced and ensure multiplayer or all content DLC is checked. 3. Let it fully download. Do not interrupt. Option B. Reinstall to a different drive. Reinstall game to another drive if available. This sometimes forces download of the full MP pack. 7. Relink platform accounts and refresh entitlements. 1. Go to EA.com, account, connections. Unlink, then relink Steam, Epic, Xbox, PSN account that's connected to EA. 3. Restart EA app. It may refetch entitlements and install missing multiplayer content. Advanced, check install manifest files. In Steam, the file ap manifest score xxxxx.acf controls installed content. If you're comfortable, back up the app manifest file, then let Steam recreate it by uninstalling then reinstalling small or use Steam's verify. In EA app, no public simple manifest. Rely on repair or reinstall. Target 9. System maintenance commands. Safe, recommended. Open an admin command prompt and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reboot after these complete, then retry, repair, verify. On Hazard Temperature 10, check logs in Event Viewer. Diagnose failure cause. Open Event Viewer, Windows logs, application and system around the time install verify failed. Look for errors from EA, installer, Windows installer, or AppX that indicate disk permission failures. If the platform prints an installer log or error code, copy it. EA support will ask for it. Nader 11, registry/incomplete install entries, advanced, backup first. 1. Wins are, regedit. 2. Look under, open quote, only do this if comfortable editing registry. backup registry first, close quote. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. If you see keys named like incomplete install or stale Battlefield 6 install entries, export, backup, then delete suspicious keys. 4. Reboot and run EA app repair. 12. Final steps before contacting support. 1. Ensure Windows is fully updated. 2. Reinstall EA app, uninstall, reboot, download latest EA app installer, then reinstall Battlefield 6. 3. If still failing, gather screenshots of the error, EA app Steam log files, or a copy of the install log, event viewer error entries. Then contact EA support and attach these. Ask them to push multiplayer entitlement to your account.